So okay, to correct this repeat now, we have the image repeating itself here and there. So you go back to your CSS and say background repeat. Background, then the iPhone, yes, repeat. Background repeat. Take your colon and say no repeat. Remember to always put iPhone when you are using two different words. So you say no repeat. Okay, let's check that out. I don't want to rush out so that it won't look like magic. Alright, let's view it. Wow, it's only one now, but it's not covering the whole page. So you come back here and you say, go back to your CSS and you say background size. Background size, then background size, and you choose cover. Okay, so let's check it out. So let's see what happened now. I thought I've shown you. Have I interrupted in this no repeat? Okay, I've mistakenly deleted this. Okay, so let's come here now. Okay, sorry. Let's go to form.html and see. So this is still not covering. Let me go back to check. Something must be wrong. Oh, see my spelling of background though. So save it now and then go and check. Beautiful. Can you see it now? So it's covering it up. What other things can we do? There are many things. So